Hey class, welcome to week 3. I hope you all had a good President's Day yesterday. Maybe got to enjoy a little bit of the rain. Haven't had a lot of rain this winter, which is a little bit concerning. NorCal's gotten a little bit more than us, so that's a good thing for our reservoirs. But there hasn't been a ton of snowpack, and haven't gotten much rain down here. But we did get a rainbow yesterday, so that was pretty nice. It's been an interesting week in water conservation. Cape Town announced that they're pushing back their estimate for day zero. If you're not familiar, day zero is the day that Cape Town thinks that they're going to run out of water, completely run out. Their public source would be shut off, their public supply of water, and any water that's needed would have to be trucked in. So as you can imagine, that's a huge thing for a major metropolitan city to go through. They've really been asking their residents to conserve, and they've also looked into some water transports, exports, imports. That's the one. So due to that, they've been able to push it back. I think first it was supposed to be April, then they moved it to June. Now they've got it pushed out to July. But even still, July is not a lot of time when you're thinking about how to get millions of people water. So, big deal. Also, this happened a couple years ago in Brazil. Sao Paulo had a similar situation. So I'll post some articles about that just for your interest. It's kind of an interesting thing to read about. You know, as bad as our drought got here in SoCal, it still wasn't as bad as what happened in Australia and isn't as bad as what's going on in Cape Town right now. Part of the reason why is because we are able to move water throughout our state, right? We have a really intricate network of aqueducts, pipelines, water projects that allow us to move water throughout the state, and we're interconnected between cities as well, right? For that very reason, in case of emergency, or if one city was unable to get their water supply, we're able to transfer city to them. Like Long Beach is interconnected with the city of LA, Compton, Seal Beach, Signal Hill, probably a couple others that I'm not thinking about, Paramount. So we could always move water from our system to their system, or vice versa, if we had to. So it's a little bit unique in California. That's actually something that Australia really liked about our system, that we could move water throughout the state from north to south, but also from, within cities. So that's what we're going to talk about this week: moving water, water resources, the natural places we get our water from, groundwater, all sorts of things. So I hope that you enjoy. This is a really interesting class, I think. Learning about these types of water projects is what really got me interested in water at a pretty young age. I was just 19, I think, when I really decided that I wanted to work in water. So I hope you enjoy, and if you have any questions about the class or any of the material covered, remember you can always use Canvas messages to send me a message. And we're going to hit a little bit of math next week, not this week, but remember there is a math discussion going as well. So, all right, enjoy.